Thought I would do a little bit of hiking in this park that I always come to here in Sooke, Ed McGregor Park. Love when I see moss on the sides of the trees like this. Along that branch there. Beautiful. I think I'm the only one here. Cloudy, but the sun is peeking out now and then. Mild. I can see my breath, so I think it's in the high 30s. Maybe 40, 41 degrees. Big, huge trees go all the way up. I know I'm a nature freak, but I love it. These trees are what give us oxygen that we breathe. We should be thankful for every tree we have. Lots of ferns. Hi. Hi. This summer we might see some salamanders, but I think now they're probably buried underground hibernating. Okay, more when I get to the water.